Regulators of the telecommunications space in the country have been assuring that the challenges will soon be resolved. The following report has more.
Thursday's interruption in data services has been blamed on the limited capacity of the multiple submarine optic fiber cables. The National Communication Authority, NCA, says it is in full control of the situation. Portions of a statement released by the authority read, the disruptions affecting multiple undersea cables responsible for carrying international traffic have occurred in Senegal and Côte d'Ivoire, with some disruptions in Portugal. This has led to a significant degradation of data services across the country. It is important to note that the mobile network operators have redundancies on other cables and are working to restore full services. Also, the Ghana Chamber of Telecommunications says it is probing the extent of the outages on the fiber cables. Engineer Dr. Kenneth Ashigbe is Chief Executive Officer of the Chamber, and he has been explaining development to Citi News.
The interesting thing is how different cables in different locations have had challenges almost around the same time. Well, in terms of being able to resolve the challenges with the cables, the thing about it is that these are international suppliers. So our members will be working with them to be able to find the resolutions to those. So it will be difficult to tell when those will be fixed, but it will be done as quickly as possible. What we would see generally is that you will find that operators will be looking for other sources, other routes to be able to use, because it's not all the cables that come into Ghana that have been impacted. The thing to also notice is that this is massive revenue losses for all of the companies that are involved in this. It's not something they really would want to happen. Until you get to the bottom of it and find out what the root causes are to know exactly what has happened. For you, even as the service provider, you cannot tell what actually got this to happen.
Meanwhile, the telcos in messages circulated to their customers are assuring that the international partners are working around the clock to resolve the issues.
Telecel and MTN customers were mostly affected, lamenting the poor data network services. Despite having data bundles, they had to contend several hours to connect to the internet. But while expressing regret for the inconvenience caused, telecommunication giant MTN in a release said MTN apologizes for the challenges our subscribers are experiencing in accessing data services and reaching our call center. This is due to a disruption on our international undersea cables. Our technical teams are working with our international partners to resolve the issue. We sincerely apologize for any inconvenience and will keep subscribers updated. Telecel has also been sending out similar messages to clients.